I am here today to celebrate the marriage of God.
How about I film it, okay?
Kelsey and Choco Chocolate Milk. Now, to your vows. I, Kelsey Georgina Love. I, Kelsey Lovell. Shut the hell up, Choco. Kelsey, I need your vows. I, Kelsey Lovell.
I, Kelsey Lovell.
Cheers to have and to drink.
Cheers to have and to drink.
You for the rest of my life.
You for the rest of my life.
Until you go stale.
Until you go stale.
And rot in hell.
Stale, it goes sour.
Until you go sour.
For the rest of my life.
For the rest of my life.
Amen.
Amen.
Now Choco Milk. Okay, Choco. I, Choco Milk.
I, Choco Milk.
Live on a farm.
Live on a farm.
And I'm a great source of calcium.
I'm a great source of calcium.
And I take thee, Kelsey Lovell.
I take thee, Kelsey Lovell.
To be my lawfully wedded wife.
Lawfully wedded husband.
For the rest of my life.
For the rest of my life.
Until I go sour.
Until I go sour.
And rot in hell.
Rot in hell.
Nice crack. Bye.
Time to do that.
Now you may now kiss your wife, Choco Milk.
What did I do?